Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the 4 of us from the 6th to the 10th of July 2026 on Monday. Vera fears Papi may retaliate and tension rise within the Lomo family as Poppy's leadership is challenged. Tato is attacked by Banzi and Balungile, and Letabo clash over loyalty and relationships on Tuesday. Vera senses Papi is hiding something, and Balungile and Tato grow closer. Poppy manipulates relationships with fake gesture, and family tension escalate into betrayal and rejection on Wednesday. Poppy's authority is undermined as Busani gain influence. Tato and Balungile grow closer. Ndumi rejects Poppy's gift, and Papi and Pasi commit to a final hit against Busani on Thursday. Busani survives an assassination attempt while tension escalates around Kopano, Tato, and Malungile's relationship. Poppy and Letabo are in conflict as Papi's plan for a hit unfold with violent consequences on Friday. Papi saves Busani and Kopano from a hit tried to his own actions, while Tato cancelled his date with Balungile to focus on family, leaving her confused and hurt. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.